Hey everybody, it's Ken from AutoSense again. Listen, I had a customer bring a Audi S4 Cabriolet in for the air conditioning not working, and we wanted to show you what we found. And air conditioning season's here. There's nothing we can do about it. It's temperatures coming in, and we need air conditioning in our cars. Everybody knows that. Wanted to show you what an AC compressor replacement looks like on an Audi S4. Okay, so hang on a second. Let me get behind the camera. All right. So as you can see, we had to remove the entire front of the vehicle. The bumper, the headlights, the core support. As a matter of fact, you can see that little truss bar up across the top. That's actually what's holding the engine in the car right now. And the AC compressor actually fits right back in this hole. And it's not even driven by a belt. It's driven by that shaft right there. Okay, and you can't get to it anywhere else. Behind there, right here is the power steering pump, so if that had to be replaced, probably have to do the same thing. Here's the alternator, right here. So if you go to replace the alternator on one of these things, the front has to come off, and as you can see, the belt on this thing is in horrible shape. So while we got this thing apart, we're going to replace that belt. We want to show you what the AC compressor looks like. We got it over here on the bench. As you can see, there's the front of the vehicle right there. So anyway, there's the old compressor, there's the new compressor. This is a variable, it's a continuous run compressor. It's got a variable orifice on it so that it controls the freon flow through the compressor on a duty cycle. Anyway, just wanted you all to see that, and I wanted to thank Greg Buckley from Buckley Automotive for reminding me to do this morning. And that's it. Thank you for watching.